shampoo it like Zumba Papa. Can't see me with 10 binoculars. So cool, no doubt by the end of the night, got the clothes coming off.
Hey, we're Harry's parents.
I'm Voldemort.
Awesome.
I'm evil.
You're dead.
My parents are dead. I'm so sad. I spent my whole life trying to be sad about this.
Come on to Hogwarts, Harry. Me and my giant two-headed dog will take care of you.
Sounds lovely.
Class! Pay attention. Sit down. Harry Potter. I hate you. I love you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I love you. I love you, mother. I love you. I hate you. I'm dying. Stop stuttering.
I liked him at the end.
Do your part.
And I'm the character you love, Dobby.
Oh, I gave her a sock and she died.
No, I want forever.
You died too. I win.
Yay.
Okay, come on.
I'm gonna run away now since I'm gonna die.
I don't know where we're going.
We're supposed to be dogs. Weird. This poor guy.
It's a silent.
This is that one.
You guys make sure they can see you. Make sure they can see you. Like a rock.
There's no way y'all can see us.
The game's over. You both win. Yay!
Oh my god.
I'm a large black man.
You got berries.
I'm a large black man.
We got these berries.
Oh man, screw you. I ain't doing that.
Don't you eat these berries?
I mean, I love you, but like I just met you. I'm a large black man. I'm not gonna kill myself for you. Alright, bro, I'll eat them. We win, Hunger Games.
Dangerous experiments.
I'm Thor. I'm attractive.
I'm Hawkeye. I'm Hawkeye. I'm Hawkeye.
Captain America, at your service.
I'm Thor. I'm Thor! Hulk smash!
Did you get that?
Jesus.
I'm done.
I'm Thor.
Alright. Insane.
In the fire. Older boyfriend.
There we go. You learned the right ones.
Let's do it. One Titanic.
I could be both Rose and Jack if no
Okay, did you crash into the iceberg?
Look at me, okay.
Are you recording?
The Titanic has just struck the iceberg.
Are you
I
recording?
want to see dramatic.
Oh.
I want to see dedication. Action.
Come on, get the ship, come on.
You're Jack, she's Rose.
Ship sinking.
Sing.
Oh no! Oh my god, Jack! You're poor.
Rose,
Oh my
Rose,
God.
jump with me.
Right.
Wait till I say jump.
Okay.
Wait. Wait.
Jack, come on.
Wait. Jump.
Oh my god, this water's so cold. And then,
Get on the door.
oh,
Oh, fit. You must live.
Small door.
yeah, it's a very small door, Jack. I'll never let go. Or you'll never let go.
Goodbye, Rose.
Oh my god, you let go.
I'm so cold.
Help. The end. Here's tribute.
Wow.
Maybe I'll be ever in your favor.
No!
This is really bad.
Someone has to narrate.
Fireball.
Oh no. No, y'all guys are suffering. It's sad, the whole thing. What's the next one? Okay,
So that was
got
good.
hurt. Somebody be Rue or Peta.
I'm a log.
Who's Peta? I'll be Rue.
Rue.
No, okay, no.
Kill,
I
kill,
got
stab,
it.
stab.
I'm Rue. I got it. No, I'm Rue. I got it.
Throw my spirit, Katniss.
Who's Dodge?
You shoot
Like
me.
the Matrix.
Not quite sure.
Without seeing that
How
sounded
do you decorate
legit.
yourself so wonderfully?
Oh,
Why do you look like a rock? Because you're Peta.
because I know how to make cakes.
Yeah, he does. Come
come on, let's go find Kato.
Another rug.
Bart.
They must
You're
both-
Kato.
there
Try
must
to kill
still-
me.
there must-
Two
She's a dog.
competitors, two tributes from the same district may survive.
Somebody attack him. Dogs, eat him. You're Kato, you can't do that.
Yeah, we're done. We're done.
There must be one victor.
There can
There
only
must be one
victor.
victor. Hey, look, some berries. Yum.
No! Y'all
You
both
made
win.
And seeds.
From the same-
That's what.
What?
That was the which way?
Oh, I'm so poor.
I'm so
I didn't
rich
check
and
out my luck in this poker game. I won tickets. Let's go, friend. Oh, and I'm some rich hot girl, and I have to marry this rich dude, and like I don't know if I want to marry him, but
shouldn't do that.
First,
I love you.
Draw me naked.
I
Never let you go, Rose. I'm the king of the world. All right. I'll never.
And I'm dead. Liam, acting. Thank you.
I'll fit in that line, I'm happy.
Wait, who's the dolphin?
Oh, his feet stink.
Oh god.
Oh my gosh, it's
Okay,
an
I don't
iceberg.
think
It's
it's
an
an
iceberg. It's an iceberg. It's an iceberg. Oh, did it. Ah! Never let go, Jack. Jack, no.
I will never let go.
Oh, come here so I can sign that.
Abigail, I'm so proud. I said I'm so proud. Thank you for participating.
I'm standing firm.
Whoops.
Mayday, mayday.
Can I sign the papers?
That was fun.